Hi guys, it's Miss Vanetta. Happy Friday. Okay, so we're going to talk about some new numbers today. We're going to talk about 13 and 14. We've done 11 and 12. Now we're going to start 13 and 14. So you need to go to page 217 in your math book, page 217. All right, 217. So let's look at the first one right there. How many yellow blocks do we have? Counters do we have? We have 13. So let's go practice writing the number 13. It's a 1 and a 3. A 1 and a 3. On the first one, you trace it. And on the second one, you write it by yourself. Don't forget to start at the blue dots, okay? 1 and a 3. A 1 and then a 3. A 1 and then a 3. And then below that, it has the word 13. So trace those letters right there, okay? All right. All right, great job. Let's look at the next one. We have some blue counters right there. So how many blue counters do we have? We have 14. 14. So just like you did on 13, go trace the number 14 and then write it by yourself. In 14, we have a 1 and a 4. A 1 and a 4. And then go write it by yourself. Write a 1 and a 4. A 1 and a 4. And then once again, it has the word 14. So go write the word 14. Okay, should look like this when you're done. Okay, we have 13 and 14. Okay, they both start with the number 1. Okay, because some of y'all get confused on that. Okay, they both start with 1 and a 3 and then a 1 and a 4. Okay. All right, when you're done, you can go on to the next page. Go ahead and turn to the next page. All right, we got some flowers right there. How many flowers do we have? Yeah, we have 13. So go write 13 4 times on the line. A 1 and a 3. A 1 and a 3. A 1 and a 3, just like this. Okay. See how they start with the number 1 and then a 3. Okay. A 1, then a 3. Okay, don't forget that because I know sometimes y'all have a hard time with that. Okay, that's the number 13. Okay, so let's break apart 13. Let's look at these squares right there, okay, on number 2. How many blue and red squares do we have? Count them all, okay? Count them all. How many blue and red squares do we have? Yeah, we have 13, so go write 13 on the line right there. Just like that. Okay. All right. Now, this is where we're going to break apart 13, okay? So, how many blue squares do we have? Just the blue. Don't count the red yet. How many blue squares do we have? We have 10. So go write 10 on the line. Okay? Now, how many red squares do we have? We have 3. Now, go count them all. Go count the blue and the red again. 13, so a 1 and a 3. Just like that. We see we have 10 blue. We have 3 red, and for a total of 13. Okay, very good, guys. All right, when you're ready, scooch on over to the next page. All right. How many pink flowers do we have? Oh, that's Miss Vanetta's favorite, pink flowers. How many pink flowers do we have? We have 14. Very good. Okay, so let's go practice writing the number 14. It's a 1 and then a 4. Go write that 4 times. A 1 and then a 4. A 1 and then a 4. A 1 and then a 4. Last one, a 1 and then a 4. Just like that. Okay, let me show you. Okay, see how they all start with the number 1 and then the 4. Okay. All right, let's look at number 5. How many red and blue squares do we have? Red and blue. Count them all. Okay. How many do we have? Count all of those squares. We have 14. And how do we write 14? A 1 and a 4. Very good. 1 and a 4. All right, let's go break these apart, okay? Break apart the number 14. So how many red squares do we have? We're on number 6, guys. How many red squares do we have? Look at the picture. We have 10. 10 red squares. Okay, now how many blue squares do we have? We have 4. Now go count them all again. How many in all do we have? Got to put it back together. We have 14. And how do we write 14? A 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4. Very good. Looks just like this. All right. Go ahead and flip to the back page. Okay. All right. We got some flowers again that we got to count. Okay. So number 7, we have some purple flowers right there. Go count those purple flowers and tell me how many you got. Okay, we have 10. There are 10 purple flowers, and we need to get to 13. See the 13 right here? That's what number we need to get to. So how many more flowers do we need to draw? Well, let's count. We're at 10, 11, 12, 13. So we need to draw how many more? 3 flowers. So underneath the purple flowers, go draw 3 more. And you can do circles you want. You can do flowers. It's up to you. Miss Vanetta is going to draw 3 more flowers. All right, just like that. Okay, see, she drew 3 more flowers. Now we're at 13. All right, let's go do the red flowers. How many red flowers do we have? We have 10. There are 10 red flowers. And what number do we need to get to? 14. Okay, so how many more flowers do we need? We're at 10. Let's count to 14. 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 4. So we need to draw 4 more flowers. Okay, so underneath the flowers, go draw 4 more. All right, there you go. Go draw 4 more flowers. All right, number 9. Okay, how many cubes do we have right there? How many cubes do we have right there? Yeah, we have 14. And how do we write 14? A 1 and a 4. A 1 and a 4. Very good. All right, my kiddos. Here's what you're going to do. Okay, you're going to do page 221 and 222 by yourself. Okay, we're just going to be practicing numbers 13 and 14. And when you're done, send a picture to me, okay, so I know how you're doing. All right, we're going to switch over to science, and science is pretty easy today. We've been talking about quite a while for talking about day and night. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to draw a picture of day and a picture of night. Don't forget to include things that you see in the day and you see in the night. Okay? Send that picture to me on Seesaw so I know how you're doing, okay, guys? All right. I hope y'all have a good day and y'all have a good weekend, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye, guys.